Okay, so now start your exercise 4.2, chapter number 4, basic geometrical ideas. So in exercise 4.2, question number 1 is classify the following curve as open or closed. As you can see in this screen, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 diagrams, 5 curves. Okay, and you have to choose open curve and closed curve. Okay, so first just discuss what is the meaning of open curve. If you have any curve, okay, and it's not connected, just like here, this curve has 2 points and these 2 points are not connected with each other, so this curve is open curve. Okay, but when you have a curve which don't have any end point or starting point, okay, so it's a closed curve. If you are not able to identify from where this curve is started or ended, so it means it's a closed curve. So let's find out. The first one is, it's a open curve. Simply you can see here, this one is open from this side and this side, and these 2 points are not connected with each other, so it means it's a open curve. This open curve have 2 end points. Okay, now B, this one is a closed curve because we are not able to find out any point or any end point in this curve, so it's a closed curve. In question number C, it's a open curve, and D, it's a triangle, so simply it's a closed curve, and E, it's a quadrilateral, so it's also a closed curve. Okay, now come to the question number 2. Draw rough diagram to illustrate the following open curve or closed curve. So in your screen you can see the answer of question number A and B. So we have to draw 2 diagrams, one for open curve and another one for closed curve. Okay, so it's not necessary you can draw this one only. Okay, you can draw it like that, or it's totally up to you. Okay, closed curve, so this one is that is a square. Okay, so it's a closed curve. You can draw a triangle also, you can draw a pentagon also. Okay, so you can draw a pentagon also, just like that, 1 2 3 4 5, so it's a pentagon and it's also a closed curve. Okay, now question number 3. Draw any polygon and shade its interior. So here we are here the diagram is of a pentagon. Okay, so you have to draw any polygon. You can draw triangle also, you can draw quadrilateral also. Okay, you can draw hexagon also. Okay, but thing is that you have to shade its interior part. Okay, you already know what is the meaning of interior part. Suppose you have a triangle, so it's your interior part and it's your exterior part. Andar ka part interior and bahar ka part exterior. Okay, now question number 4. Consider the given figure and answer the questions. Okay, so first one is it a curve? Is it closed? Okay, so yes, it is a curve and it is closed also. As you can see here, there is no end point or starting point here, so it's a closed curve. Okay, so the answer is yes. Now come to the point, question number 5. Illustrate if possible. Okay, remember that only illustrate if it is possible. Illustrate if possible each one of the following with a rough diagram. आपको इन सब को एक rough diagram के through illustrate करना है अगर ये possible है तो. Okay, so part A is a closed curve that is not a polygon. Okay, so remember that in that video, in your previous video, I already told you a circle is a closed curve. A circle is a closed curve which is not a polygon. Polygon is also a closed curve. Okay, polygon is also closed curve, but polygons are made by line segments, but circles are not. Okay, so we have to draw a closed curve that is not a polygon, and answer is a circle. It's a closed curve, but it's not it is not a polygon. Okay. Question number B is an open curve made up entirely of a line segment. Now in this question you have to draw a open curve but with line segments. Okay, so the answer is this one. Okay, that is the open curve. Okay, but with the help of the line segment. So these are the line segment: first line segment, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so it's a open curve made by 9 line segments. Now C is a polygon with 2 sides. You have to draw a polygon with 2 sides. So is it possible? Suppose one side is this one and another side is this one. So is it closed? No. Is it a it is a polygon? No. So it is not possible. Okay, this is not possible as the polygon having the least number of sides is a triangle which has 3 sides or sides in it. Okay, so at least we want 3 sides to make a polygon. Okay, so this one is not possible. Clear?